What I know about HIV is that one doesn't look sick. You can't see that they're sick.
I don't, to be honest, know the difference between HIV and AIDS. I've always thought they were the same thing.
HIV is part of the process of AIDS.
Can you please give me directions to Gatehouse?
I have no idea where Gatehouse is.
Okay, how about you?
I have no idea where Gatehouse is.
HIV is, to me, it's just like a flu. I mean, any other disease, in the next 10 years, everyone will be having it.
Where can I please find Gatehouse?
Gatehouse, you just go straight and then you turn here. Just Gatehouse, just behind this building.
We found the place. Man, this door is heavy. Look. Yeah, man, can you open this door for me? Thank you, Gustav. Hey. All right, we're now here at the postgraduate lab. Actually, postgraduate room. I meant to say room, not lab. I'm gonna talk to Samantha and all the smart people who do research in HIV/AIDS. Hi, Samantha.
Hi, Eddie.
How are you?
Alright, and you?
All right, man. I've come here to learn more about HIV/AIDS, and I hear you guys study. You're doing research on AIDS. Is it true?
Yes, we definitely do research on AIDS here, but we also we look at several other proteins in our lab. We're studying protein folding in general, and HIV is one of those proteins we look at.
Sam. So how do you really work on the actual virus here in the lab?
No, we don't have the virus. As I said, we use this expression system, which is our coli, and we have DNA in there that codes for only one of the enzymes in the whole virus, the HIV protease. That's why we need all the special purification procedures to get just that one protein. We don't actually work with the whole virus, no.
Yes, Eddie. My name is Sal. Well, I'm doing my PhD in biochemistry, but mainly focusing on the HIV protease.
What are proteins?
Well, the proteases are the enzymes used by this HIV. They mainly help the virus to grow stronger so that it can infect other cells.
So what I'm going to explain to you is how the virus actually infects new cells.
Well, mainly the virus attacks the body cells, and when it attacks the cells, it uses the GP120, which are the proteins found on the outside of the virus, and then it gets into a human being. When it gets into the human being, it integrates into the DNA of the cells found in a human being.
How do people get infected with HIV and AIDS?
The major cause of the infection is via sexual intercourse and some blood transfusions, and well, that's mainly the two major routes for infection.
What is the goal of this project?
We want to see how nevirapine actually works against the protease. Is it effective in stopping the protease from working, or will the protease still be able to work even though the nevirapine is there?
Well, the goal is to come up with drugs that would be effective for the subtype C.
There are like 3 different versions of the HIV. Subtype A, subtype B, and subtype C. And in Africa, we have subtype C. How different they are from each other, I don't know. Are you recording? Yes, I'm recording. Okay, yeah, got it. Cameraman was supposed to speak on camera. Okay. So do you have any final words?
If more people, young people, can get into research, somehow we could have a better place to live in with no infections, etc.
It's because of people like Sal that you and me have medications out there.
Ciao.
Hey kids! Hope you guys have learned a lot about the HIV virus. I'll see you next week on Eddie and Me. I don't know what are we doing next week.
Think about those kids in the streets with no bedding or sheets. Their cold gets to their feet, their toes begin to freeze. But most definitely my flow stretching the beat, girl. Yo, listen to me, I wrote lessons that teach us smokes and in the streets to grow. Dress and receive the Pope's death as a key to close. Sesame Street aglow. As to perceive his whole mission is greed, it won't let us achieve the goals that let us eat what grows. Just as a seed of hope bred when a seed of soul pressure.